individual. And also, yung encompasses issues such as having broadband internet access. So, wala sila access sa internet also. Wala sila access sa technology. That is one of the digital divide. Only the computers and smartphones. Sila mga own. Sila mga nag-iingat sa smartphones or computers. And having the means to acquire and maintain these devices. One of the aspects of digital divide is access to technology. Hindi sila mga gamit sa internet o sa smartphone and mobile. Wala access to technology. So, ito si Han. Talikod. Ito yung mga. Wala na. Adem. Okay, next naman is digital literacy. So, according sa picture, what do you mean by digital literacy? Sige namin yung istoryado. Digital literacy. Like down is digital device. So, what do you think?
Balik sa
So, isi-define ng digital literacy. What do you mean by digital literacy? So, from the word digital, what is it? Digital. Digital. Sige na, talikod. Sige na, Mr. Khan.
Lapura. Lapura.
Lapura. See what do you mean by digital? Mr. Lapura. The word digital. Sige daw.
parang sa ability, sir.
Like what? Sige daw, dito.
Yung mga gamit sa digital yung mga device.
Wala ka sa digital device. So, what do you mean by digital? Di ba mga digital for technology?
Yes.
Cellphones, digital.
Laptop.
What do you mean by literacy naman? Literacy. Computer literate ka, ano tawag sila? Computer literate ka. Computer literate ka naman. So, what do you mean by literacy is the ability to know how to read or write, literate ka magamit. So, what do you mean by digital literacy naman? So, digital literacy refers to the ability to use may skill na kabalo ka gamit and navigate online spaces effectively and safely. It also relates to digital literacy. It is ability to use technology or mobile devices. Literate ka magamit. Digital literate ka naman, simple, hindi ka kabalo gamit. Literate ka mo. Literate ka mo magamit. So, it includes skills related to using of software applications. So, nandun mo gamit sa mga software applications sa laptop, sa mga cellphones nyo, open sa applications. So, kung mag-open sa software applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, consider mo na digital literate kung ano magamit sa technology. Also, searching the internet. Ano ba search the internet? How to use Google, ano gamit sa search engines. Also, digital literate ka po. Understanding the online privacy and security.